Hello everyone, today we will talk about the Austrian coin. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Now let's continue. So this is the coin, or this is the front of the coin. You will see here the shield with the red Austrian flags color surrounded by Republic Austria. Now I'll show you the other side of the coin. So you will see here the face value 50 and dated 1981 and a stemless gentian flower. Now let's talk about the coin details. The Australis 50 Gaussian 1981 is a circulated copper nickel coin from the Austrian shilling currency featuring the Austrian coat of arms on the side and a gentian flower with the denomination and the date on the reverse, produced by the Austrian mint with a large mintage, making it a common collector's. Now let's talk about the coin details. Country Austrian Republic Austria. Denomination 50 groschen. Year 1981. Metal copper nickel base metal. Design obverse front shielded with the red Austrian flags color surrounded by the ostrich. And now let's talk about the reverse. At the back, face value 50, date 1981, and the stemless Jensen flowers. Now let's talk about the value. A Grossian coin's value depends heavily on its country, mostly Austria or Poland, and years, ranging from minimal worth as obsolete currency cents to a few dollars for rare collector's item. Generally, low as each a common circulating coin but higher for proofs or uncirculated coins. So guys, this is the coin of Austrian coins. So if you have a coin like this one with an error coin, the error coin is much higher. Meaning if you have an error coin, the value is higher compared to the common coin. So anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you very much.